Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? I hope you're well. Today I'm reading for you some of my new poems from Divine Soul Whispers, Volume 2. It will be ready, I think, next year. But I would like to, give you a taste of what will be there. This one is called Dreams Do Come True. Shows up as a dream waiting in the cosmos, streaming through the single eye as a pipe of shimmering light projecting on the screen of the heart. Will you take the challenge? Will you live the dream? Will you put everything on the line to make your dreams come true? Will you move across the lands and the seas to explore the possibilities? The dream is knocking, waiting to take expression. As you say yes to self, you grant permission to the dream to take form. Show up for yourself, show up for the dream. Ride the waves of change, for it's the narrow path that leads to greatness. Unpack the unnecessary baggage to make room for the new explorations. Break the chains of limiting beliefs for greater heights are waiting to be scaled. Awake from the slumber and show up for your dream, for dreams do come true. As the words stir in my soul, they envelop my whole being. As always, this is Keroy. Dreams do come true. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.